He walk to school or he walks to school. In this episode of English You Should Know, we are learning the simple present tense. My name is Morgan. Let's start learning. The simple present tense is used in three ways: habits and routines, facts and general truths, and scheduled events. For most sentences, we use the subject plus a base verb. We also use a subject, base verb, and S or ES. For subjects, he, she, and it, add S or ES to the base verb. Like, he eats an apple. She reads a book. For I, you, we, and they, we do not add S to the base verb. I read, you read, we read, they read. No S or ES. Let's look at some examples for each way to use the simple present tense. Habits and routines, like I drink coffee every morning. If this is something you do all the time, you can use the present tense. She goes to the gym twice a week. They walk their dog in the evening. For things that are facts or general truths, the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. And for scheduled events, the train leaves at 8 a.m. Our class starts at 10 a.m. every Monday. The movie begins at 7. To make a sentence negative, use do not and does not. Do not shortens to don't, and does not shortens to doesn't. I don't like playing video games. She doesn't play video games. When we make a negative sentence, we don't add S or ES to our base verb. To make a question, use do or does at the beginning. Do you like ice cream? Does he work on weekends? To answer in a short way, you can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Can you complete the sentence? My brother books every night. My brother reads books every night. Can you make this sentence negative? They eat breakfast at 7 a.m. They don't eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Can you turn this sentence into a question? You like chocolate. Do you like chocolate? If you like learning English, please subscribe and like this video. Bye.